Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Home. So today I have group meeting, and I am making up little treat bags for those in my group. These are the treats that you seen me make yesterday. I'm going to put them in the cellophane bags that I bought from the Dollar Tree. They actually wrapped up really cute, and then I put them in a very inexpensive bag that you can buy like in a group of bags. I think there's like 8 bags for like $4. Still really pretty and really simple. Now, today I'm going to be eating lunch with my group, so I thought that I would make something hearty and delicious. It's very cold today, so I thought, yep, today's the day for a nice lasagna. So I'm starting out with about 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, a pound of sausage, some garlic, Italian seasoning, and once that's brown, I'm going to add in about a cup of my cottage cheese. And then you're going to see me stir this, and I'm realizing it's not enough sauce, so I add an extra jar of sauce, which I usually use 2, but sometimes, on occasion, it's enough. But today it's 2, and I am using the oven-ready noodles today. I think I show you the brand in this video. I hope I do. They are my go-to favorites. I absolutely, there they are. That is my favorite go-to oven-ready noodle. I have used other brands, but this here, I don't know, the pasta is just absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to layer in some sauce, and then you're going to see me put in there my noodles. Listen, this isn't rocket science when I make this lasagna. It's so easy and simple. I do break it to fit in, and sometimes they don't break evenly. That's okay, nobody can tell. I'm going to layer in some more sauce, and then I'm going to put mozzarella, and I'm going to continue to do so, cover with foil. And this usually takes about an hour in the oven, covered thoroughly with foil. So when it's done, I take it out of the oven. Now, because I'm transporting this, they have an oven there at the association. So what I do is I just leave it covered and put it in my thermo bag that I have. And then when I get there, I take it out, I uncover it, and I put the last layer of cheese on it. And while my garlic toast is browning in the oven, I then go ahead and thoroughly finish the lasagna by melting the last layer of cheese on the top. I find it works better so that the cheese does not stick to the foil, and aesthetically it makes for a prettier lasagna. My group, I will say, I'm doing this voiceover after we do this, and my group absolutely loved this lasagna. There was no leftovers. I brought home nothing. And I am thrilled to death that they enjoyed it. It was my pleasure to make this lasagna for them. And we had a very good meeting. Good morning, everyone. Hope y'all are doing well today. I am getting ready to go to Cabawayne Association for the Blind this morning. This will be our last meeting, my peer support group last meeting until January. So that is that. They had us scheduled for a meeting the day after Christmas, but I didn't think that'd be a good idea because a lot of people were going to be like with friends and family and such. And yeah, so today is Tuesday and it is bitter cold outside today. As you could tell, I got up this morning and I packed the goodie bags for everyone going to be there today. I do have a couple that is missing. One is sick, one has a doctor's appointment, but that's okay. We're still going to have it. And I decided as a treat today that I would do a big lasagna and garlic bread for everyone. And so I got up really early this morning to get that started. Yeah, so that is what is going on today. I have been working nonstop for 2 days. And so today, probably when I get home, will be a little bit of a break for me. But I've got to figure out my bag situation and how I'm going to get on the bus with all this stuff. I've seen that I had a Marshall University sweatshirt on, and that's not mine, that's my husband's. And so, but today, yep, we're going with the West Virginia Mountaineers, which is who I root for every year. And I got to sneak in the gold. See, I have to keep it covered up when I'm headed out. My life might be in jeopardy in this town. What is so funny is I went Black Friday shopping with a friend of mine, and we went to JCPenney's. And while we were there, they had all this West Virginia Mountaineer, you know, like t-shirts and all kinds of sweatshirts and golf shirts and pants, pajamas, socks. I mean, you name it, they had it. And it was so funny because you go to Morgantown and you go out shopping and they have all the Marshall stuff. So Marshall stuff is in Morgantown, and Mountaineer stuff, you know, West Virginia Mountaineer stuff is here in Huntington, which is crazy where Marshall is. So it's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. So I'm hoping that everything goes smoothly today. I hope it does. Once I get through today, then I can concentrate on some other things that I have going on. I'm going to make sure that we have all of our jackets and everything, and we're ready to walk out the door, and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Hello everyone, I just got home. Well, actually, I got home at 2. So we had a very nice meeting. Everybody really enjoyed my lasagna. There's none left. Every single bit and morsel was ate. Every crumb of garlic bread was eaten. So I'm glad. Ronnie went upstairs to read, and I have been sitting here scrolling through videos on my phone, wasting time. And I am so tired. It's like I worked. Well, I got up really early this morning and I got that lasagna made up. And yesterday I made, as you've seen, I made all the goodies. And so I am glad to have that under my belt. And now I can go to phase 2 of things I need to get done. And right at the moment, I can't remember exactly what that is, but I am going to wash some clothes today because it needs to happen. Go make me a cup of coffee or something to get me going a little bit, and then I will get started on doing some things that I need to do. So I'm going to go do that now. So I ended my evening by washing all of my bedding and cleaning my bedroom this evening, which I didn't get any video of. And my really dear friend came down with some nice treats. She brought me a new set of pajamas with the Grinch and these really cute snowmen ornaments. I'm going to turn the lights out on the tree and head to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.